Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. I can hear them. Oh, there's two right there. They're probably watching and waiting. Okay, I gotta lock up. Let's get out of here. Well, maybe they'll follow. Whoa. There's a group of them. Wonder if they're gonna meet me ahead. I was hoping they'd stop. Oh, there's Doggy. Hey, Doggy. I gotta go work. Bye-bye. Bark. No chickens this morning. Maybe later. I see Mel! Kitty, kitty! Oh, where'd he go? There he is! Hi, kitty! Oh, that was a dip. Kitty, kitty! What you doing? Usually they don't let you out when school's starting. You could get hit by a bus. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi. Good morning. Oh. You with the strong tail. Yeah. Good kitty. I haven't seen you in a while. I can hear a crow nearby. Oh. Kitty, kitty. Who's that good kitty? I gotta go to work. What you looking at? Kitty? Hey. Who's that sweet boy? Yes, you are. I gotta get going. I'll be thinking about you. I have no idea what he's looking at. There's nothing down there. I gotta go. Okay. Well, very interested in something. I don't know what. Okay, I gotta go. Love you bunches. Yeah, I do. Oh, kitty. What? What? What's going on, kitty? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna get going. Bye-bye. Jumpy. Like he's looking for something. Hi, Nova. I'm heading to work. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, Pupper. Oh, here's the other one. That's gotta be Lucy. Oh, there's Nova. Apparently a couple of good girls. Oh, there's a few crows. Like 3 of them. And one just flew away. But I'll give treats to whoever sticks around. There's a car coming. Okay, you need a treat. How about your friends? Oh, here they come. One of them. Yeah, I got your treats. Let's see. I'll just put it right here. There. Nice pile. There you go. See you later. Go get your treat. Go on. Think about it. Oh, I'm stepping on it. What is this? Ah. You gotta watch out. There's a lot of dog poop around here. Get back over here. We'll head to the stump. Well, he'll get it eventually. I was going to go to the stump, but now you're over here making lots of noise. There's a fourth one. Well, okay, maybe I'll just leave another one here, since everyone's waiting right here. Right here's a nice clear spot. I hope they get that first one. That was bigger. I gotta go to work now. I hope you guys find it. Woo! Yeah. Now, someone's got to go get the first pile too. Alright, time to go. What is that? This was under my coworker's vehicle yesterday. Crow's wrenches. Oh, it's like chicken, fried chicken. Yeah, that'd be tasty. But they definitely finished up all the treats I left here yesterday. Great. Crow just flew over. Oh. There it is. It's raining a little bit. Huh. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll leave a little treat right here. He's looking at me on this stump. A small one. There you go. Oh. There it goes. Well, hope they come back. Oh. I love it. Little owl skeleton decoration. Very cute. Hi, Lucy. Hey. I see Nova back there. Are you gonna meet me over here? I don't think she is. Nah, I saw her milling about, not climbing. That party bush is active. Bunch of little birds. Over here, I see some chickens. I see all of them. Hey there, chickens. It was raining for a little bit when I first got off work. Now it's nice. Yeah, there they all are. All these branches in the way though. What's back there? It's probably just birds. Oh, I gotta go home. See you later, chickens. What's that? What is that? I don't know. Huh. Little crow. Are you calling to me? He's got like 2 friends way over there. Hi. In that tree too. I'm gonna leave you a treat right here. This truck isn't likely to move anytime soon. Alright, there you go. There's some crows right there too. Well, there you go. Well, I'm home now though.